Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys, and I am so happy to be in receipt of my November box. So you may have already received your box. If you have, girl, what did you get? Did you like it? I have been sitting on this box for about a week. I know, but there's been so much going on. So I am going to show you guys what I got inside of my box. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do a demo out of this box or not. We will see. If I don't demo, I'll be certain to at least swatch what I have here. So let's get into it. All right, the first item that we're going to talk about is from Kate Somerville, and this is the Daily Foaming Cleanser. This is what the actual packaging looks like, and the info card states, keep breakouts at bay with this clinically formulated cleanser for blemish-prone skin. Use daily to clear pimples, unclog pores, balance oily skin, and help prevent future breakouts. And the retail cost is $44. I have heard of the Kate Somerville brand before. It's a really nice brand. I've gotten some other skincare products in my BoxyCharm box from Kate Somerville. So yeah, this is really nice. I'm super glad to have it. And again, the retail cost is $44. This next item is from Iconic London, and this is their Precision Duo Contour Pots. We've gotten lots of items in our BoxyCharm box from Iconic London. And let's see what this looks like. This is the actual packaging, super cute packaging. Okay, this is, let's see, what does the info card have to say about this? It looks like, is this open from two sides? Yes, it does. Okay, so it gives me this. It also gives me this. Let's see, what does the info card have to say about this product? So this is what it looks like. It's kind of got this little dual flip-flop type of thing going on here. The info card states 2-in-1 cream and powder contour pots for a natural lifted look. Okay, so let's see here. This is a cream and powder contour set, and it's in the shade, does it tell me what shade it is? No, it just says Tan Shadow. Oh, this feels really nice. This is the cream. Let's swatch her right here. Just build her up a little bit. You can see that. And that's what that shade looks like. Very, very creamy. And then on this powder side here, I'm going to put this right next to it. And you can see what that looks like as well. You can see that there. So this is the cream and this is the powder. That doesn't look too bad. I can't wait to try that out. That might be really pretty. But yeah, this is really nice. Again, this is from Iconic London, and this is their Precision Duo Contour Pots, and the retail cost is $29. This next item is from Skin Inc., and this is the Sculpt Lift Bar 24K Gold. So this looks to be a skincare tool. We've gotten tools in our BoxyCharm boxes before. Okay, and this is really cute. You can see how this box flips up here. It looks like it's got a little carrying pouch that comes along with it. This is how it's packaged. That's really, really nice. And this is what the actual tool looks like. Very interesting. What does the info card say about this? It says, provides multiple benefits for inner and outer beauty for glowing skin and youthful appearance. The pulsating massage is also relaxing and de-stressing. For busy urbanites like us, this handy tool is a real time saver in our increasingly hectic lifestyles. That's so cute. So let's see. This is very heavy, so I guess it's got a battery in here. Is that what this is? Okay, unscrew. So if you're using like a AA battery, you know the little spring that you would place the battery on top of, if that makes sense. But yeah, you can see that down in this little hole there, if you can see that. So you would put a battery in there, and this is a massager, is it? Is that what this is? Let me read this one more time. What is this? This is the Sculpt Lift Bar 24K Gold. Provides multiple benefits for inner and outer beauty, for glowing skin and youthful appearance. The pulsating massage is also relaxing and de-stressing. For busy urbanites like us, this handy tool is a real time saver in our increasingly hectic lifestyles. So if this is a little pulsating massager that I can place like right here in my neck, you know, kind of take it in my purse when I'm traveling or what have you, when I start to get a little bit too stressed out, that would be super cute. I think that's what this could be used for, as well as a skincare tool. So that's really nice. This is from Skin Inc. and the retail cost is $125. This next item is from Complex Culture, and it's the Executive Level Mascara. You guys have heard me talk about how BoxyCharm is notorious for sending us mascaras, and I'm not mad about that. I like getting mascaras because that's one product, one beauty product I think that just about everyone that's into makeup is going to use. But this packaging is too cute. Look at that. Very, very nice. And let's see, I'm gonna open this. This is your typical mascara type of wand, so very nice there. The shade is your standard black. And the info card states, level up your eyes with this multitasking 5-in-1 mascara that defines, lifts, strengthens, volumizes, and nourishes lashes from root to tip. Ultra conditioning formula enhances shine and defines lashes without smudging or flaking. Fit with a curved wand to hug each and every lash for full next level volume. And the retail cost is $28. This next item is from Wonder Beauty, and this is the Wondrous Escape eyeshadow palette. So let's see what this looks like. It's really pretty packaging here. This is very pretty. This is not the first time that we've had something in our BoxyCharm box from Wonder Beauty. I really liked their under eye, what was it called? Baggage claim, I think it was. And it was like the little under eye pads. You guys know I love those. This is the first time that I'm seeing an eyeshadow palette from them. But the info card states, featuring hyaluronic acid to help skin retain moisture and rosehip seed oil to help smooth out dry skin. This palette includes a mix of neutral and bold colors with shimmer, satin, and matte finishes, and the retail cost is $42. This is really pretty. This looks like some of these shades might be some good one and done shades. Let me see if I can give you guys some swatches here. This right here is called Moonlit. This is Enchanted. Let me build that up just a little bit more. That is Enchanted, if you can see that. This is Flourish. This is Sunkissed. May have to build Sunkissed up a little bit more. So you can see those. And this is called Santorini. Not the best swatcher person. This is what this first row right here translates to on my skin tone. So you can see that. This is Nude Beach. So that's Nude Beach. That's Daydream. This is Stargaze. See that? This is Sea Glass. See that? And this is Overnight. But this is what the palette looks like swatched on my skin tone, and that's not bad because actually I think that these may be some good soft one and done shades. I'm going to try one of them just real quick. I think I'm going to try this one right here. This is called Santorini. I'm going to try using this just as a one and done shade. I'm just going to put some of this right in here on my eye right now. Oh, and this is pretty. This is pretty. Oh, look at that. Super pretty. And they're really, really creamy. Even the mattes in here feel really good. Very nice. But just one and done shades, right? Just one. Very, very pretty. So again, this is the Wondrous Escape Eyeshadow Palette. This is from Wonder Beauty, and the retail cost is $42. And the last item I have in my BoxyCharm box for the month of November is from St. Luxe. And this is the Morganite and Carnelian Gel Lip Liner Duo. These are 2 lip liner pencils. These look really nice. Let's give them a quick swatch here. This is the shade Carnelian. This looks really pretty. Let's swatch that right here. Super creamy. But that's what that looks like. This would be a really good lip liner when you've got that blue-red type of lipstick that you want to wear. This would be perfect, a perfect lip liner for that. This one, let's see. Put her right here. Really, that one didn't really show up on me too well. There she is right there. Yeah, that one may be a little bit too light for me, I think. Not sure what I'd be able to do with that shade, even though it's really pretty. I don't know, I may end up having to give this one away, but you know, they're really creamy. They seem really nice. Let's see, the info card states here, this new and improved gel lip liner is creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating. It smoothly glides onto the lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable pout. And the retail cost is $30. This shows to be a new launch from St. Luxe, and that's great, but again, I don't know about this shade right here. I'm not sure if that's going to work for everybody, but they are quite creamy, and the retail cost is $30. So as usual, I have totaled up the cost of all of the items that I got in my November premium box from BoxyCharm, and it comes out to be $298. And again, I say to you guys know that I am paying substantially less than $288 for my monthly premium BoxyCharm subscription. I'm paying about $39.99 per month, and you guys see all the great products that I get in my boxes. If you would like to receive a BoxyCharm box, I'm going to leave my referral link below. Please feel free to use that to sign up for BoxyCharm, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there and you can start receiving your own box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.